Today, we're diving into the world of pet products producing businesses. Get ready to explore the step-by-step process of starting your own pet products producing business, from identifying the right machines to marketing your products. Step 1. Research the market. Before starting your pet products producing business, it's important to research the market and identify the demand for pet products. Look for trends in pet accessories, food, and grooming products. This research will help you determine the type of products you want to produce and the target market for your business. Step 2. Identify the machines. Once you've identified the type of pet products you want to produce, it's time to research the machines you'll need. Here are some machines to consider. 1. Pet food production machine. Pet food's demand is high, so you can create a local brand for pet foods using this machine. 2. Embroidery machine. Useful for adding personalized designs and details to pet accessories. 3. Heat press machine. Ideal for applying custom prints and designs onto pet clothing and accessories. 4. Laser cutting machine. Helpful for precision cutting of materials for pet products like tags and accessories. Step 3. Source the machines. Once you've identified the machines you need, it's time to source them. Look for suppliers online, such as Alibaba, to find the best deals on high-quality machines. Step 4. Set up your production space. Now that you have your machines, it's time to set up your production space. Ensure that the space is clean, well lit, and well ventilated. This will help you maintain a safe and productive work environment. Step 5. Create your pet products. With your machines and production space set up, it's time to start creating your pet product. Follow best practices for quality control and safety to ensure that your products meet industry standards. Step 6. Market your products. Once you have your pet products, it's time to market them. Look for opportunities to sell your products online, at local pet stores, or at pet-related events. Use social media and other digital marketing channels to promote your products and reach a wider audience. Now, watch the video that is pinned on the comments below.